The market is again crashing like anything, and the same crash was seen yesterday as well. The reason behind that is you guys can clearly see that Iran launches drone swarm at Israel. So Iran and Israel ka war at the same time. We don't want any intervention. If you see US getting involved, UK getting involved, that is going to be a bigger escalation. Okay, and at the same time, the market was already factoring in this Friday sale, and you can see the reaction weekends में कितना खराब आया. Okay, at the same time, cryptos are nuked. Altcoins are literally nuked. If I show you guys can clearly see 20-30% ka drop. Okay. If you guys have cash, that's what I usually and always suggest that stay conservative regarding your buying. Personally, I was conservative too, and my portfolio is down 20-30%. And I still have cash to buy, so that's fine. Okay. But what's more important to watch out, Abhi? We will be talking about that. See, ये करंट क्रैश अगर बिटकॉइन का देखा जाए ना, अगर आप लोग बिटकॉइन का चार्ट खोलते हो, सो यू गाइस कैन क्लियरली सी बिटकॉइन हैज़ मिटिगेटेड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. Let me bring this down on a shorter time frame and you guys can clearly see the mitigation has been done. Maybe हो सकता है there were a lot of whale orders sitting here. Okay, crash आया, whale orders got punched and post this, see this is a very good support. Post this maybe हम लोग यहाँ से upside वापस continue करें as long as the war is not getting escalated. Israel is Iran and Israel का war is not a big thing as compared to the way it is getting portrayed. ठीक है? It is just bringing that panic and that fear. But remember one thing. ये सेम चीज़ में अगर इंटरवेंशन आया किसी का भी यूएस, यूके, चाइना, रशिया, वहाँ से एस्केलेशन ज़्यादा होगा एंड जब तक मामला ठंडा नहीं होगा तब तक you guys will see a drop and we might mitigate 50,000 as well. As of now, I don't think we should breach 58,000, but crypto में anything is possible. Everything or any analysis that I personally do as well is just a probability, and you guys might see that happening that हम लोग और नीचे चले जाए. ठीक है? Now, Bitcoin, like I said, just watch out this. अगर ये वाला लेवल अच्छे से बिटकॉइन रिस्पेक्ट कर लेता है, इट्स फाइन. वीकली क्लोजिंग आज का इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो सुबह होगा संडे को और रादर मंडे को 5:30 AM को. इफ़ यू आर एन इंडियन देन इट्स 5:30 AM. If you are living outside, then the timing is going to be different. Now let's talk about some altcoins that you guys can watch out, okay, and some strong ones. There are a lot of altcoins in my list as of now, and I cannot touch base. However, if you guys want me to do, just comment it and I will touch base and do the analysis over that. But yeah, let's start with Aptos, because Aptos made a very good run recently and it almost went from $9 to somewhere around $19. So अगर आप Aptos को देखते हो, personally this was the only last expectation that I had जहाँ तक Aptos का trend रुकता, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ because of this crash. So you guys can clearly see the point of origination where Aptos was consolidating. Let me mark it up. आप लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हो, दिस वॉज द पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिनेशन. ओके, यहाँ से मूव आया, कंसोलिडेट किया, इट नेवर मिटिगेटेड दिस, इसके नीचे कभी गया नहीं एंड इट केप्ट ऑन मूविंग अप फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज द एरिया विच यू शुड और विच यू कैन लुक आउट. दिस 7.3 जो कि ऑलरेडी अब यहाँ से रिएक्ट कर चुका है, प्राइस इज अ गुड एरिया. We are still in a very good zone to buy. However, make sure that आप अपना पूरा capital अभी invest नहीं कर रहे हो, because कल परसों and ये आने वाला following week you do not know what is going to happen. So make sure that you are still stating 50% cash. Let's say if you have 100K to invest, okay? Aptos के लिए 7.3 to $8 is fine. However, the exact point of origin from the move was $5 to $6. If you see Aptos here, make sure that you are getting and buying Aptos, okay? So this is the first one. Now let's talk about Arbitrum. See, Arbitrum के chart. Oh, this was the main line that you guys should watch out. So you see, the green line is a line. The yellow line is a line जहाँ पे आपको Arbitrum को देखना है. This zone was a zone where I think maybe Arbitrum रुक सकता था, but it did not. However, अब जो नहीं हुआ, आप लोग ये zone को watch out करो. So basically 70 cents to 90 cents is a good zone. This is a very big zone. So make sure that you are, again, like I'm saying, accumulating in parts, because market currently is falling like a simple, it's like it's not even stopping, chota mota base, and it's falling. So make sure that you are accumulating logically. Okay, levels, I'll just mark up that. Watch out this level. अगर ये और आगे गिरता है So this is going to be the first level, and the second level was this for me, which ranges from 97 to $1. इसके नीचे ऑलरेडी प्राइस आ चुका है. सो कंजर्वेटिवली अगर देखें तो करंट प्राइस पे 10-20% इन्वेस्टमेंट इफ यू वांट टू डू इन आर्बिट्रम इज फाइन, और इज जस्ट अवॉइड इट. दैट्स सेकंड. लेट्स कम टू एटम. सी एटम फंडामेंटली इज वेरी गुड. अगेन ये भी पियर्स कर चुका है सारा बाइंग रेंज, एंड in atom का scenario I would just recommend, or I would highly recommend that you guys are following this range, which happens to be 5.5 to $6. अगर यहाँ आपको atom मिल जाता है तो it's going to be an easy 2x, depending again upon कैसा scenario रहता है. We don't know what's going to unfold in the upcoming future, but current zone पे भी where atom is, which is somewhere around $7.6, $7 to $8 can be a good range, and you guys can watch out that. That's done for atom. Now let's talk about AVAX. So अगर आप लोग AVAX को देखते हो, ये zone is going to be the zone where you guys should be watching out AVAX, and you guys can clearly see इसके पहले जहाँ liquidity grab लिया था same place में AVAX came and it took a liquidity grab here. So basically base building के यहाँ से and again point of origin के यहाँ से move आया है. You guys need to watch out this zone. See, I still think आप लोग wait करो थोड़ा तो better है, and instead of accumulating blindly, because maybe crash and altcoins especially ज़्यादा bleed करे, because you guys can clearly see Bitcoin dominance is moving up like anything, and Bitcoin dominance का मतलब ही यही है, पैसा सारे altcoins से निकल के Bitcoin पे जा रहा है, and Bitcoin is basically dominating the market. You look at Bitcoin का drop and you look at altcoins का drop. Bitcoin has dropped 7%, whereas altcoins have dropped, they've dropped more than 20 to 30%. So this is for AVAX. AVAX का important zone that you guys can watch out is $22 to $25, and at the same time this drawn off liquidity which ranges from $27. Watch out these zones. Particularly entry अगर आपको लेना है तो पास में लो, and एक बार में don't think about entering AVAX or any other crypto that you want to enter. Let's talk about Phantom as well. So Phantom is down to my point of origin and my drawn off liquidity as well. It's currently sitting at a good zone, and you guys can simply watch out Phantom too if you guys want to accumulate. The last one is Injective, and ये red zone को आप लोग अच्छे से mark करके रख लो, which is basically $14 to $16. If Injective comes here, surely make sure that you guys are accumulating this, because I don't think इसको ये breach करना चाहिए until and unless something escalates. But yes, watch out this. If you want me to analyze any other crypto, especially to help you guys out with the zones, make sure that you are commenting on this, and I'll just do the analysis over that as well, or maybe help you out with the levels. That's it for today's update, and I'll see you guys with a better video tomorrow.